Racing dreams in Mindoro. In the heart of Mindoro, engines roar with might. Wheels spin like lightning, cutting through the night. This is our sport, our joy, our release. A fleeting escape where we find our peace. Racers from afar, united we stand, bound by our passion, a powerful band. Tigasat Racing, to you we give praise for fueling our dreams and lighting our ways. Hanggat may isang naniniwala, magpatuloy ka. A mantra of hope, a guiding estrella. As long as one believes, the race shall go on, a fire in our hearts forever drawn. The tracks are our stage, the engines our song. In every twist and turn, we belong. This is our passion, our hearts intertwined. A sport that uplifts both body and mind. So here in Mindoro, where racers unite, we chase our dreams with unwavering might. Legal drag racing, our pride, our story, a journey of speed, of triumph, and glory.
Lumapag, G-Race.
Bukas na, laro namin.
Anong motor niya, boss? DCC. Invite nyo sila manood.
Okay, punta kayo rito, doon kayo, pusa kayo sa kalaban namin.
Ayun, shoutout sa mga naiwan sa shop.
Si Paring Rolly, si Bongkong, tapos si Mark.
Okay, welcome sa Mindoro, sir.
Boss, salamat.
Sige po.
Bukas.
Sige po.